Hello! Today we are going to tackle lesson 2.3, which covers the absolute value of rational numbers. Now we should remember what rational numbers are. Rational numbers are pretty much all the numbers you're going to deal with in middle school. It's your positive and negative, whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the absolute value of those. So that is our new skill today. So our objective is I will be able to use absolute value to represent a number's distance from zero. That's really important because that right there really gives us the definition of absolute value. It's a number's distance from zero. And then we're going to interpret absolute value in real world situations. So there's a lot of things that you must be able to do in order to meet this objective. You need to be able to create and label positive and negative number lines. You need to be able to find zero on a number line. That's super important. You have to be able to count distance on a number line, like counting those tick marks. You need to be able to identify opposites. We're going to work on defining absolute value, and we're going to identify the absolute value and solve problems using absolute value. And then we're going to lastly use absolute value in real world situations. So a lot of this stuff I know you can do. Like I know you guys are great at opposites. I know you guys can count tick marks. I know you could find zero on a number line. We've created number lines. So really the new stuff revolves around absolute value. So let's go ahead and dive into this lesson. I believe it starts with a video. It does. So the video is located in Savvis Realize. If you have trouble hearing the video through the Screencastify, it's located in your Savvis Realize as well. You can watch the same video that I show the kids. Okay, here it is. Well, it's thinking.
How can you represent and interpret absolute values? Think about this question during the lesson. Stock prices rise and fall during the year. The table shows the overall change in the price of a company's stock from year to year. During which 2 years was the overall change in the stock price the greatest?
It makes sense that positive values show increases and negative values show decreases.
What are you asked to find?
Okay, so let's talk about this problem right now. So these are showing different years in the change in stock prices. So in 2015, the price went up $11. In 2014, the price went up $19. But in 2013, since this is negative, the price dropped. It went down $34. And then in 2012, it went up $6. So these are showing change in price. It can go up or down. We are asked to find in which year was there the greatest change. Okay, that's what we're asked to find. So let's continue the video.
You are asked to find the 2 years with the greatest change in stock price. Which is the greatest number in the table? Which is the least number in the table?
Okay, so I'm going to pause it right there because it's going to give us the answer pretty fast. The greatest number is going to be the largest number, the most positive number. So 19 is the greatest number because it's the furthest to the right on a number line. The least number is the most negative number, the one that is furthest to the left on the number line. So here's my greatest number and here's my least number.
The greatest number in the table is 19. The least number in the table is negative 34. The absolute value of a number is its distance from zero on the number line. Distance is always positive. The absolute value of negative 5 is written as shown below. The absolute value of 5 is written as shown below.